Fried's got good velocity, as you know, 95-mile-an-hour fastball. 1 ball, 2 strikes from Fried. And strike 3 of the big breaking ball, and Diaz can't believe it. Max off to a good start. 1 out. And a swing and a miss at a fastball. 2 strikeouts for Max Fried to start his night. Now the 0-2. A swing and a miss. How about some left-handed compliments for Max Fried? 3 strikeouts. Is Ronald Acuna in center? The pitch. And a swing and a miss. Max Fried struck out 4 through 2 scoreless innings in Atlanta. Did he go? Yes, he did. That's 11 up, 11 down for Fried, who struck out 5. His 2-2 pitch is caught on and missed. Renfroe didn't get that. 6 strikeouts for Max Fried. And they just picked him off first. Wow. That's a way to erase a base hit. Brosseau can't believe it. He just got picked off, and that is going to end the 5th inning. He couldn't check his swing, and Zunino strikes out. That's 7 for Fried. What a weapon that pitch is. Brian Snitker is on his way out. Max Fried, brilliant.